What's up, y'all? This is Matt, blackouttrailer.com, 478-231-5291. You can reach me, call me anytime. Alright, y'all, barbecue trailers. It's a very popular trailer. It is growing every year. It gets bigger and bigger. The barbecue industry, you know, the competition part of it, you know, and this trailer is not only just used for, you know, barbecue pits, but you know, you can utilize this back porch area, which is what we call it, for about anything. All right, so basically it was designed as a trailer that has an enclosed area in the front. All right, the back area is left open to install a barbecue pit, all right, a grill or whatever back here on this back porch area. Okay, and then you can even put your hole through the roof there and run your smokestack through there. But that's basically the concept behind it. 20 footers are our most common. This right here is a 24 footer, 5,200 pound axles, 7 foot on the interior. They got a 3x6 concession door and window right there. Okay, the interior of this one is not finished. We've left it open so that, hey, whenever you guys know exactly what you want, we can go and fabricate it. Our fabrication team is one of the best, and we keep them in and out, y'all. We bring these trailers in, we bring them right out, and they look like a totally different trailer when they come out of there. So call us today. We got a team waiting to help you. We'd love to work with you. We'd love to put you in you know, a concession trailer today. And so the way this thing works is you got a side door, all right, and you got a back door. This back door opens up onto the porch area. Okay, porch area is diamond plated. It's stubbed out right there for a light. Okay, radial tires, big axles. All right, inside is left open, as you can see, just so whenever you guys call, we go in here, we finish it on out. And let me just show you what a finished out one looks like. Right here next door to it is a 20 footer, red. All right, this one's got a removable gate right here. Okay, so this right here, that removes so that you can put a big pit on it. All right, you see, you got your diamond plated. There's now your light is installed. All right, diamond plated. Same concession door. Same height. Okay. Now we got it outfitted for your sink package right there. This is the exact same trailer over there. The other one's just a little bit bigger. Nice white metal walls. Metal ceiling, RTP on the floor. Okay, that's that same window over there, window and door, concession door. Now you got a water package in here and electrical package. You can see your panel box right there. Your holding tanks, all your plumbing, your hot water heater, water pump. But so that's how it works, y'all. Y'all give me a call. It's Matt. Love to talk to you today. Number 478-231-5291. And I was gonna see, yeah, we got one right here. Let me just show y'all, get you guys a shot of it. You know, since we're talking barbecue trailers, and we got a lot of them, y'all. We specialize in concessions. And okay, this one's not done. All right, let me walk y'all up here. Okay, so they got all our concessions right up here, right in the middle there, but right across from us here. And here you got, right down there, you got blacked out concession. There's a white concession trailer. Here's another red barbecue trailer. And I don't know what's in here. Let's just step in here and see, y'all. But it's on the customer line, which means, yeah, it's getting ready to ship out. So here's your interior. Same exact is the bare one we saw earlier. And it's also the same exact trailer as the one I just walked you in, except this one's got a different color walls and ceiling and different colored cabinets. But exact same setup. And since we're here, let me walk you into this one. This one don't have a porch on it. Okay, got an AC. Now this one's got a tabletop area right there, counter space, so that you can work through that window. And y'all just a minute, give me a call. We got 30 in stock right now at least, ready to go. Y'all give me a call. It's Matt, 478-231-5291. Y'all give me a call.